In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear path from logging in to publishing a ready-to-sell digital item like an ebook, template, or music file. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Sign in using your email or any available connected platform. Once you're in your Shopify admin, look at the left-hand menu and choose Products. This is where all items in your store are managed and where you'll create your new digital product. Click Add Product to open a fresh product page. Give your product a clear, searchable title and write a description that explains exactly what the customer will receive. Be specific about the file type and size, what's included, and any usage rights or license details. If there are prerequisites, like needing certain software to open the files, mention that too. Set your price thoughtfully and consider whether you want to use a compare at price to highlight a discount. If your product has variants like different file editions or license tiers, you can add those here as well. Scroll to the shipping section and uncheck the box that says this is a physical product. This tells Shopify there's nothing to ship. Remove shipping fields at checkout and avoids charging shipping fees on a digital-only order. Next, upload the digital file your customer will receive. Shopify typically handles this through a digital delivery tool. If prompted, follow the on-screen guidance to connect a digital downloads app so the file is automatically sent after purchase. Keep your file organized and clearly named, and consider compressing large assets into a single zip to make delivery smoother. It's also a good idea to include a brief README or license text inside the download so customers know how to use the files. Before you publish, confirm your store can accept payments. In the Shopify admin, make sure a payment provider is active so customers can check out with credit cards or digital wallets. If your region supports it, Shopify Payments is straightforward. You can also enable additional gateways, and it's wise to run a quick test order to verify everything works. When you're satisfied, click Save. Review the product status at the top, set it to active when you're ready for customers to buy, and confirm it's available on the sales channels you use. That's it. Your digital product is now ready to sell on Shopify.